I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker, and today I'm going to show you how to make this gorgeous rustic bridesmaid bouquet. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is take some Bowdabra Bow Wire, and I'm going to make it long enough so that I can fold it in half and lay it down into my Bowdabra. And I'm just going to tuck the ends underneath. And now I'm going to take my fern and just lay this down in here. And then I'm going to take my rose and lay that down in here. And then take this one and I'm going to lay it here. Or actually I'm going to lay that a little bit higher and lay this one in here. A little bit lower than that. Take this one and lay this going this way over here. And then I'm going to take my eucalyptus and I'm going to have one, see, I want it going the other direction. Nope, I want it this way. Lay it here and we'll just kind of twist that out. And take this one and I'm going to lay it here because I want it to be pretty much on the outside of my rose. And then I'm going to take this and lay this down in here. And then I'm going to take my ribbon. I almost forgot to add the ribbon. Move this back around here so I can add my ribbon in and create our bow. So now I'm just going to take my burlap and my Amelia ribbon and just lay this down into the Bowdabra and have my tails laying down. And also on the tails, we actually rolled them up to finish them. So all you're doing is just taking your tail and just rolling it. It's really simple. Lay that back there. Then I'm going to take my Amelia ribbon, and this is the right side, so I'm going to twist it. I'm going to fold it back over. Oops, got a lot of ribbon here. And twist it, then fold it back over here. And we have another video, which is of the rustic, for the rustic wedding of the bride's bow bouquet. And we also have a pew bow to match with it and a corsage that also matches. And they're all of the same rustic theme. So definitely check those out. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I'm just going to scrunch this straight down in here. Then I'm going to take my burlap ribbon and I'm going to twist it because I want to make sure the wrong side is on the inside of my loop. And just fold and twist. And I'm just going to fold and twist. And I think this gives it a really nice rustic feel. And also, if you're not already subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe now and follow us on Facebook as well. So we're going to just fold that back over. And now I'm just going to take a half of this and make it a half the size of my other loop, and that's going to be my button loop. Now I'll take my Bowdabra wand and I'm just going to feed it down the center and scrunch everything down into my Bowdabra. So then I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire, bring it up right here. I'm going to pull it through my slip knot, pull it really tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, bring it out of my Bowdabra. I'm going to separate my ends, and you can see how much we've actually put into the Bowdabra. I'm going to separate my ends and bring it around to the back, and I'm going to knot it, and I think I'm going to double knot it here. And then what I'm going to do is actually wrap the wire around my stems to bring them all together. So we're just going to keep wrapping this to this side. Then I'm going to take this one and wrap it around here. Whoops, just get my other wire out of the way there. So let's grab this wire, bring it here. So now I'm just going to wrap all my stems up so they're all tight together so it's easy for the bridesmaid to carry the bouquet. And now I'm just going to tie it off, tie a knot, and clip my ends. And I would probably, I think if I had my clippers with me, I would clip the end of this as well. And so that they're all pretty much the same size. And I'm just going to flip this around this way, bring my tails down, And I'm going to clip my little extra piece of burlap. And then I'm going to take my center loop, bring that to the center, shape all of my other loops. It looks like I have a little extra piece here of my Misty Rose ribbon, and I'm just going to clip that off. So now I can shape it, bring all my loops around, and bring this here. And you can see how absolutely simple it was for us to make this beautiful rustic bouquet in the Bowdabra. And look how absolutely gorgeous it turned out. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.